YouTube, the world's second biggest search engine, the best traffic source on the planet in 2023. But there's a problem. You need to make videos. Ugh. And that means slides, voiceovers. It means stock footage. It means video editing. Unless there was a way to just let AI do it all. Well, today there is. Presenting AI Video Creator, the world's first 100% powered AI video creator. Create instant AI-generated human-level videos right from your browser on any device. Step 1. Start by pasting your script, either your own or one you make with the AI. Next, select the royalty-free backing track you like. Enter up to 3 URLs of any websites you mention in your video, and choose the style of any text slides. You can even customize the aspect ratio, flipping between horizontal for standard video or vertical for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Then hit go. Step 2. Now the AI will separate your video into slides. It will auto-preload slides, including text, images, and royalty-free videos, and screenshots of the website URLs you entered earlier. All you need to do is browse and choose the slides. You can also preview each AI-generated voice and click once to re-render out any imperfections. Look, the slides, visuals, voice, editing, it's all done with AI. Even the transitions, fonts, and text styling, AI handles it all. All you need to do is click to make your new video, which brings us to Step 3. Now your video is generated in either vertical for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or classical horizontal for standard YouTube. It's all done. Your screenshots, royalty-free images, and text are playing. Your chosen AI voice reads out the entire thing. The whole process took just a few seconds, but it looks like it took you hours. And that's all there is to it. Let's keep this our little secret, okay? Now simply upload the video to rank for the YouTube buyer keywords we give you, or upload your video to your website or any social media platform. Then rinse and repeat every day you want a cash top-up. This is the method we follow to generate profits. It's the tactic we use to profit with YouTube, using AI today. And it's now 100% done with AI and here for Warrior. Another world exclusive and another win for Team GPT. So, what are you waiting for? Click below to get started. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside. Unless you've been living under a rock, you'll know that the most profitable move you could ever make is to sell your own product. And the best, most profitable product to sell is software. And you'll also know that the most in-demand software on the planet right now are AI-powered apps, which run in your browser. However, for the average person who doesn't know coding and doesn't have 10 grand to hire a developer, that is an almost impossible feat. And that is a real shame, because as you can see, this is the most profitable move you could ever make. Selling AI software right now, it's how I make money like this, and commissions like this, using these AI software apps as affiliate bonuses. It's so powerful, but so difficult to pull off. Or is it? Presenting the AI Infinite, a new cloud-based app that lets you create real sellable cloud-based apps right from your browser. This is the same method I use to make profits like this. It creates infinite apps for any niche, apps that pay you 100%. And it's here and exclusive to Warrior this summer. Now here's how it works. Step 1, get Infinite AI. Step 2, log into the software and enter some settings about your app. Choose your name. Upload a logo using one of our pre-made Canva templates, which you can edit with a free Canva account. Step 3, next up, the prompts. This is the secret sauce that powers AI apps. A prompt is the command you enter into any AI, like ChatGPT, and it's key to how your app will function. These prompts allow you to customize your app. Now I'll give you some pre-made prompts from some of my top-selling apps. And I'll give you secret sites where you can find unlimited prompts for free or for sale. But maybe you already have your own prompts in mind from within ChatGPT. This, my AI friend, is where you get creative. Or just use the proven prompt templates I give you. It's your call. But either way, simply enter these prompts into the app. Leave space for the user to enter their text, which will allow them to customize the prompt. And then click Save. Now, your app is complete. Step 4, click Save, and you'll be given a URL. This is the sign-up link where you can share your app. Now take this link and sell it for 100% commissions, and of course 100% of the leads, or give it away as a lead magnet to build a buyer's list. or use it as a bonus for your next fat affiliate promo. Either way, these are all AI-powered apps on tap, and these apps are proven to profit right now. But this is a limited offer with price increases and a very real threat that at any moment I realize that the value here is too great, the profit potential too much, and then I pull this for good. Okay, that's it. Welcome to the future. Welcome to a new world where the AI is infinite. Imagine making huge profits with ChatGPT. This summer, 100% passively, on autopilot, without doing a thing. In fact, all you need to do is hit play and let the AI do the rest. This strange new trick does not involve any writing. It does not involve any original thinking, but it does involve a new technology, a new AI technology that gives ChatGPT access to planet Earth, presenting Passive GPT, an automated new way to make AI commissions, something easy, something different. Just watch how easy it is. Step 1. First, we find some form of audio content. It could be a TV show that's playing right now, a YouTube video you just watched, or even yourself talking into the mic. Hit play. Step 2. Now load up the AI Voices app. Hit record. The AI is now listening, intently, absorbing hundreds of words a minute. While you do nothing, indulge a hobby, take a break, but don't do a thing. Just return at some point and hit stop. Step 3. Finally, we load up Passive AI and paste the transcription the AI just made you. The AI will now analyze your transcription and turn it into a new piece of content. An email, a piece of copy, a campaign, invented from the passive audio that washes over us all day. Oh, and we're even including our Infinite AI app. So when you get tired of making money with our presets, you can go ahead and create your own GPT-powered apps. So, there you have it. It's time to take your profits to the next level, exclusively with Passive GPT. So hit the button now, and I'll see you on the inside.